Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and today I wanted to show you comfortable living from Mohawk. This is their Smart Strand Carpet. One thing I love about this is the color selection is fantastic, so we can meet any color palette that you have. This carpet will wear really good too. We had this at a party that we threw for police officers. It was a support our police party. We let the kids get mustard on it and barbecue sauce, wine, soda, ketchup, just everything. Ground it into the carpet real good. And then we had a carpet cleaner just do simple hot water extraction, no chemicals, on half of the carpet. And it came out just like brand new. So really easy carpet to take care of and clean, good for a very busy household. Easy to vacuum and clean and have professionally cleaned probably once a year. Good color selection and really good soft hand to it too. So this would be great in your master bedroom with good thick ounce weights too. It goes up to a 65 ounce. So come on by Carpets of Arizona. We also have 36 months, same as cash financing right now. So come on over and let's get started and make your house beautiful.